Ever wondered why research plays such an integral role in our daily lives? It's because research is the foundation of all knowledge. It's how we learn about the world around us, find solutions to problems, and make informed decisions. But how does one conduct effective research? Well, fret not. Today, we're going to break down the process of conducting research into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First and foremost, identifying the research question is crucial. This is the compass that guides the entire research journey. It should be clear, concise, and directly related to the topic at hand. Formulating a well-defined research question requires critical thinking and a deep understanding of the subject. Once a research question is in place, the next step involves planning the research. This includes determining what kind of information is needed, where to find it, and how to collect it. A good plan provides a roadmap that keeps the research process focused and efficient. The third step in the research process is to gather information. This could be from books, scholarly articles, trusted online resources, or even interviews with experts in the field. It's important to use a variety of sources to get a well-rounded understanding of the topic. Next comes the analysis of the collected information. This involves sorting through the data, identifying patterns, drawing conclusions, and forming arguments. This step requires a keen eye for detail and a logical mind to interpret the information correctly. The final step in the research process is to present the findings. This could be in the form of a written report, a presentation, or even a video. The key here is to communicate the results clearly and effectively, backing up all claims with solid evidence from the research. That's the basic process of conducting research. But remember, good research is never rushed. It requires patience, persistence, and a genuine curiosity about the world. In summary, conducting research involves 5 key steps: identifying the research question, planning the research, gathering information, analyzing the information, and presenting the findings. Each step is crucial and contributes to the overall success of the research. So take the time to master these steps. Not only will they help you conduct effective research, but they will also sharpen your critical thinking skills, improve your problem-solving abilities, and enhance your understanding of the world. Remember, the goal of research is not just to find answers, but to ask better questions, to challenge assumptions, and to deepen our understanding. And with these steps, anyone can embark on the exciting journey of research. And there you have it, a simple guide to conducting research. It's not a mysterious or complex process, but a systematic approach to exploring and understanding our world. So, go ahead, dive into the world of research. Who knows what fascinating discoveries await?